Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video.
And
And we'll
cute.
talk.
I'm gonna make a three stack bracelet, and I'm gonna try to make the video not too long, so I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking. I am gonna use this wire. This is a 15 gauge aluminum wire. I'm gonna use a couple of these little glass beads on the side, and I am gonna be using quite a few of these glass beads right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and start. We're gonna go ahead and start beading. We're gonna try to come up with a three-piece set, and it is going to be pretty green, I might say. Pretty green. So I'm using majority green. I am going to be using some of the 20 millimeter hand painted beads as well. So we're going to see what we can come out with. And I'm probably going to be putting some charms on it too. If the video is not too long, I'm going to put charms. I think I might have some made around here somewhere. So this is what we're going to do. And I think what I'm going to do, that's already pretty. Look at that. I think, let's put some more glass. I'm thinking I'm going to use some of the wood beads too. But I'm going to, because I have quite a few of these beads, so let's just use a couple more. Two, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and use a couple of, that's really pretty. I'm going to definitely make some more of these. That's pretty. And I'm going to use one of the wood beads, and I'm using the wood bead because I need to be able to hide the hole. So I am going to make a bracelet using some of these wood beads so it'll all match. So we're going to go ahead and close this off. I am using the 1 millimeter wire too. I mean cord. And I like the triple double tie. 1, 2, 3. I think it's raining outside. Oh yeah, it's storming. Oh my goodness. I'm glad it didn't start until I made it home. Well, it's late right now too. I think it's about 10 o'clock my time. So that sounds about right for it to start coming down. Hopefully it don't rain tomorrow because I do need to get out and go do some stuff. Let's see. We're just going to cut the extra wire off. Not wire, but the cord. I don't know why I keep saying wire, but then you see the knot, and we'll pull that through. This is really nice. I am going to definitely make some more of these. Look at that. Definitely. Okay, so this is going to be the first one. So this is one. We're making layered. And then what we're going to do, we're going to use some of our 20 millimeter hand painted beads. So we're going to use these. I'm going to go ahead and start beading. And I'm going to use some of the greenstone beads. Making us a 3-piece. And it's going to be fairly quick. Because when you know which beads you're going to use, it's a simple task. Because I was like, let me figure out which beads I'm going to use before I even start this video. Because I'll be digging all around and trying to figure stuff out while I got the video going. It's like, let me figure out what I'm going to use. And then that way it makes the video even faster. And I'm not sitting here trying to figure out what I'm gonna piece together. Oh, these are all hand painted. I paint all these beads myself. These are the 20 millimeter unfinished wood beads. When I first buy them, they're unfinished, and I just hand paint them. All right, so we got this and one last green stone, and let's see if this is a pretty good. Yep, it's pretty good size. I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down. So 1, 2. I can tie as many as I want because the hole on the bead is pretty big, as you can see. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut off the extra cord. I don't know why I want to say wire, so we'll pull it there, and we got this, so we'll do that one. Ooh, if you don't stop playing with that, okay? How pretty is that, right? So then what we're gonna do is I'm going to use, I think, this bead, because I did pick this bead out. So let's see. I did pick it out, and I think I was going to surround it with some of the wood beads. So we're going to go ahead and stick to that. So we'll just go ahead and start beading. Man, that rain was coming down hard. All right, so we're going to start with this bead. Let me see something. That looks really pretty. Look at that. What do I want to put on here? Because I don't want to use 2 of these beads. You know what? Since we're going with green, let's try this. It looks like that'll match. And then what we'll do is we'll put one of these, 2 of these little green beads, because they'll match with what's on here already. And then what we'll do is we will finish this bracelet off with the wood beads. And that's a quick 3-piece. That's about less than 10 minutes already. And I'm like, am I even in the frame? Somebody's video I was watching, and she was saying about keeping, like, making her videos and keeping the videos so that she can, so the videos will stay, I guess, in rotation or something. And that is true, though, because with YouTube, if you don't remember, they pay you to grow. So you do have to keep uploading content. And at some point, if you're not uploading content, you will start to see the views and things, not only just the views, even the the income that you earn, you'll start to see everything just go down, down, down. So that's basically what they're doing. They're paying you to grow. Like we're going to pay you to do this. And as long as you can keep doing it, look at that. That's pretty. As long as you can keep doing it, we'll keep paying you. So it's not unless you got like millions, you know, like you got the type of videos where you get millions and millions of views every day. And you, I'm gonna put one more video. One more beat on here. Put it on this side. But she's right about that. And then you do want to have a lot of content as much as you possibly can, because when a person sees one of your videos, generally they will recommend more of your videos. And that's what comes up. Like if you ever notice when you watch a video, it may not even be something that you watch all the time. And you could watch one video, and then before you know it, it's like, well, wait a minute, why is all these different videos like this coming up? All I wanted to do was see if it was going to rain today. And then all of a sudden you got all type of videos that's all about weather. Well, that's because that is how YouTube is set up. It's going to recommend or put videos in there that you said that you wanted to watch. And then that's what's going to start, feeding through. And you'll start seeing more of those. And the way to change that is to change the video that you're watching. So if you watch something, let's say like a celebrity, something might have happened and you just want to find out what's going on. It's like, let me see what's going on. That video comes up, and then before you know it, is all gossip videos in your feed or for you to see. And you're like, well, wait a minute, this is not even what I want. So in order to change that, you got to search for a different video. It might be like a business video or something on taxes or whatever. And then what happens, it changes now the type of videos that you will begin to see. Oh my God, this is gorgeous, right? Look at that. That's really pretty. And I think what I'm going to do, let's put a couple of charms on something. Let's do I got some charms? Yeah, I got some right here. I got some stuff in here. Look at here. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we got something in here that'll match real good. Oh, shoot. And then I need some jump rings. I got to make some more jump rings. All right, so let's see what we got. I'm going to put this bracelet on first. Got some more charms. We're going to go with this one. This is a pretty big. You guys let me know what you think about this one. That's a pretty big charm. I don't really like to use charms that big, so let me do this. I'm going to take this one off because I really don't like using them this big. Let's see. I forgot who I got these charms from. I'm sure they'll match good with something, probably a necklace. But let's change this out real quick. We're going to go ahead and throw some on here, some different ones. And we'll put 3. Go ahead and close it. And then we'll put this smaller. And then this is what we have. This is really pretty. I really like this one. I am going to definitely do more of these. So this is what we got, a little 3-piece stack. Good stuff. You guys let me know what you think. During night with Jewelry by BDK, and we'll talk.